Now, if you're looking for an amazing two-story new construction floor plan in a prime location, well, don't go anywhere, because behind me, we are going to be touring the plan 2466 by KB Homes here in West Summerlin, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is January 26, 2026, and today we are here at the landings at Alton by KB Homes here in West Summerlin. Now, West Summerlin is a very prime location, arguably one of the most popular areas of all of Las Vegas. Now, we're about 25-30 minutes west of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Now, what makes Summerlin so great is it's known for a lot of things. But one of the things is master plan communities. So you're gonna have parks, you're gonna have trails close by. If you wanna go hiking, you can go to Red Rock Canyon. We're really close to downtown Summerlin, so you have plenty of shopping there. You could go down to Red Rock Casino, watch a movie, play bowling, gamble a little bit, right? So we're close to a lot of things. And Summerlin also has highly rated school zones out here. But yeah, enough about the area. I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. Now, they offer 5 different floor plans here at the landings at Alton. Now, all of these homes are going to be two-story homes ranging from 1832 square feet all the way up to 2466 square feet, with base prices ranging from like the low 600s all the way to the low 700s. Now, just so you know, if you're trying to calculate your total cost, to add your base price plus your lot premium plus your upgrades here, okay? Now, lot premiums on average run about 11,000 to 60,000. It just kind of depends on the lot. Of course, the 60,000s are going to be a lot, more preferable lots versus the standard lots are probably going to be about 11,000. As far as upgrades, so what I was told, buyers are usually putting in about $30,000 to $60,000 of upgrades in their homes, which is actually not that much here, right? Because this KB community actually has nicer standard features. Buyers don't have to spend so much money upgrading their house, okay? Especially with this KB community versus the other KB communities that are not in Summerlin. These ones are going to have nicer standard features, okay? But again, it's completely up to you. You could go way above the average, or you could go way under it. Now, as far as like the average lot square feet, it's going to range, guys. So a little bit less than 4,000 all the way up to, could be a little bit larger as well. But one thing is for sure, you can at least expect a 20 feet deep backyard from your covered patio to the wall, okay? Altogether, there's about 200 homes here at the Alton community. To be honest, they sold most of them already. I think there's about 50 homes left between the landings and the reserves. The reserves are going to be more of the single story homes. But yeah, out here, this is a gated community. You're going to have full length driveways. I know there's another KB community at Caldwell where the prices are going to be a lot lower, but community is going to be more, a little bit tighter, right? It's mixed with townhomes. This community, it's all like detached single family homes, okay? But yeah, guys, that's all I got for you. So let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the plan 2466. Now, this is gonna be a 2-story home, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 baths, 2-car garage. This is gonna be the largest floor plan part of the landings community over here. The price as of today is going to be in the low 700s. That's the base price. After lot premium and upgrades, you're gonna be around like a mid 700s to high 700s. Really just depends on like the options that you choose and the lot that you choose, okay? But also too, guys, remember that prices are subject to change. So today is January 26th, and usually the more and more they sell of these lots, the prices do go up. But yeah, let's take a look. Paver driveway, would be included. This is just a model house, so they kind of have this landscaping right here. Okay. And then also too, when you're building from ground up, there's a couple of different elevations that you could choose from. They have elevation, they have 6 different elevations. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, and F. And depending what elevation you choose, your base price could be a little bit different. But the elevation is just how the exterior looks. Okay, so sometimes you'll have some with all this brick, some without it. And also too, elevations can also change like your window placements. And again, it's just how your exterior looks. So a couple things could be different, but yeah, super excited to show you. Let's take a look. And also too, this landings community, because it is in Summerlin, it's gonna have nicer standard features compared to any other of the KB communities around town. So welcome in. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, right over here, you're gonna have your door to your garage. Okay, you're also gonna have your coat closet right here. This is your 8-foot door. You have 9-foot ceilings here, which is standard, and usually other KB communities, you're gonna have 8-foot standard and you could upgrade to the 9. Okay, so that's part of the sales office. That's the den. It could be a den / bedroom. And then you have a powder room right here. This would be a full bath if you did a bedroom downstairs. Okay, but yeah, standard, this is gonna be the den. Okay, so you have stairs that go to the 2nd floor, as you can see. And over here as well, texture is a little bit different compared to the other communities. You have like flat corner edging as well. Okay, so welcome to the open kitchen. As you can see, plenty of windows. You have that slider. So beautiful kitchen. Now again, what makes this community different than the other KB communities is you'll have, for example, the double oven that would be an upgrade in the other KB communities, not in Summerlin. And then you have that built-in cooktop. Okay, but yeah, if you guys have more questions regarding what standard features are and how they're different depending on the community, just give me a call and I could go over that with you. Okay, so refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. Okay, so we got the beautiful backsplash. My favorite type of backsplash when it's just a continuation of the countertop all the way to underneath the cabinets. So right here, you're gonna have your pantry. So plenty of room. You also have your Whirlpool dishwasher that will be included. But yeah, this type of quartz, all optional. You have this white sink right here, dual basin, that is optional as well. Okay, and you have the black fixtures. So nice open feel. This is probably KB's, I would have to say, one of their best-selling floor plans. Okay, so welcome to the backyard. This covered patio is included in this specific community. Other KB communities, you do have to pay for that upgrade. Okay, so it looks like you're gonna have your condensers to the side. And then when you move in after you build your house, this is just gonna be dirt, and you have about 6 months to landscape your backyard. That's how long the HOA gives you. Now, if you are interested in new construction communities and you're thinking about visiting for your very first time, you know, do me a favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure your realtor goes with you the very first time you visit a community. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the new build agent's gonna ask for your information. Once they have your information, they're going to log you in the system as having no representation. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So that means our job is to negotiate for you, hold the builders accountable, walk you through the process. Okay. All right, so let's go to the second floor. Okay, we got the optional upgraded stair rails. As you can see, you have the loft right over there with the 3 bedrooms. And then you have your primary bedroom right over here, which is more isolated. You have the laundry room right here as well. So yeah, we'll start right over here. So what you're looking at, really nice size loft. Okay, great for just hanging out. If you don't want to go downstairs, you definitely just like a nice area. I'm definitely a loft guy myself. Okay, so as you can see up here, these are transfer grills. So the purpose of these things is regulates the airflow within the bedrooms, and also prevents doors from slamming. Let's say if a window is open in one of the rooms, you're gonna have the full bath, which I'll get to in a second. This is gonna be for all the 3 bedrooms. Now this is gonna be your largest guest bedroom in the house. Okay, this is also gonna face the front of the house as well. So again, we are here in Summerlin, great area, backing into the mountains. Very, very good location. Okay, so this is gonna be a walk-in closet. Now I do believe you have an option to make this a full bath right here. And then if you did that, I think the closet would come up right here. So it would make the room a little bit smaller. Here's the other guest bedroom. All right, so this one has a closet, not a walk-in closet, just your standard size closet. Okay, so before we get there, we'll look over the primary bath here. So this is nice. You got dual sinks. Okay, again, the flooring is optional. The color of the cabinets are optional as well. Okay, I think this is the standard toilet, and this is the standard tub, the fiberglass. Now, if you want it in black, I believe that is optional. Welcome to this guest bedroom. This one also has a walk-in closet. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. So it's going to be the laundry room. Again, the washer and dryer is not included. But you also have your attic access right up above. You're going to have your smart panel box right here. Okay, this is going to be a spot for your linen closet. Then another option that you can do too is you can actually make this a double door. So the door to enter your primary bedroom would be a lot larger. which means that it could come up to like right about here. Yeah, this is the primary bedroom. Nice, you do have a balcony right here. I'm not entirely sure if this balcony, I believe this would be an upgrade option or it can be standard. Guys, you just have to give me a call and I could definitely confirm that with you. But I know they don't offer this balcony in any of the landings floor plans around the city. Of course, Summerlin's always gonna have the nicer features. Like same floor plan, but just like upgraded, right? Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have your primary bath. And then here, you're gonna have your walk-in closet. Okay, so this is your primary bath. So a large shower, you do have a seat right there. Okay, dual sinks. And then this is your toilet room. But yeah, that wraps it up for the plan 2466. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you have any specific questions or you're just looking for help, somebody to guide you through the process, guys, reach out to me. My info is going to be description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.